Hello, everyone. Welcome to the GSoC Lightning Talks for 2019. We have our six GSoC students here with us, and they'll be presenting about their projects. We have Anubhav, James, Nishil, Rishabh, Shichi, and Yash. They'll be going over their projects one by one. Uh, so, yeah. Uh, So we'll have a question answer session at the end where all of you can ask any questions you wish to any of the GSoC students. The link, this is the link where the questions can be posted. I'll leave. I'm just putting it in the YouTube chat. So this is where the questions. You can post your questions. You can also view all of the questions. So please do upvote others' questions, as we will pick the top questions in view of time at the end of the presentation. Also, you can leave messages in the YouTube chat. You can say hi, yeah, or yeah, you can just leave any message. So to start off the presentations, we'll go to Anubhav, and his mentor is Akshay. His project is about a feature where they ask students why they picked a particular answer, and I'll let him tell you more about it. Anubhav?
Hello. Yeah. Uh, Hello, everyone. Myself, Anubhav Sinha, and my GSoC project is asking students why they picked a particular answer. Next slide, please. So, yeah. First of all, I want to introduce what's my project. So, my project based is on asking for answer details from the learner, that why he submitted an answer. So basically, as questions are the best parameter to judge a person that he knows about the topic, and whenever a person makes an online course, he adds various tests at every step in course to ensure that learner has learned the previous topics. But sometimes it happens that learner is not able to attempt the question correctly in 2 to 3 attempts. In 2 to 3 attempts, which must not be expected by the creator of the course, as he has added the questions according to the course, but the actual insights is only provided by the learner. So in my project is that creator will get to know how the learners are applying their approach for any question and what they are submitting the answer details. The creator will get to know the anonymized information, so that no details of the student is there, and he will be able to view the answer details what the student has answered. So basically it will help the creators of the Oppia to enhance their explorations and enriching the learners experience, which will overall improve the Oppia's feedback. And yeah, it will also help learners to analyze more about their happenings of the submissions, so why they are landing on an answer. Yeah. Next slide, please. Hello, next slide, please. Yeah. So uh, one yeah so the what's the progress of my project is that, as the milestone one of my project is completely finished, which was based mostly on the backend, in which I made it the backend model and the services such that the learner answer details can be stored. And I added a functionality in the UI such that creator can enable or disable the solicit answer details feature for a state for which he want to ask the answer details. So currently, this answer details feature will work only for, not for the inline interactions. Yeah. So for the milestone two on which I'm currently working, I have made the backend controllers which will receive the request and made changes in the backend, and I have made the front end object factory files and backend API services files. And yeah, currently I'm working on the learner answer details, such that learner is able to submit the answer details when he is asked for. I'm currently working on this UI. And for the milestone 3, it's currently not started yet. It will be basically based on the creator side, such that creator will be able to view the any answer groups, any answer details, what the learner has submitted. And yeah, so next slide. Here is the outflow of my basically whole project. How the basically learner will submit an answer, and how a competition would be done. Basically, the answer submitted will lie in any of the answer group, and according to that answer group, probability index will be generated, and it will be like matched to the random probability index generated. And if it's less than that, then the learner will be asked about the approach. And if it's like greater than that, then he would be not like, and he would be like continue to the next state, or the what's the next outcome. And so when yeah, it will be there. So next slide please. Yeah. So yeah, what will be the basically the final outcome? Yeah, so the final outcome will be of the project would be like the learner would be able to like submit the answer details while playing any exploration. He would be like asked when the condition would be triggered. He would be asked, hey, like question would be like asked like, hey, how you submitted this answer, or how you landed on this answer, so that creator can learner can submit the answer. And once the answer details would be submitted, and the it will be posted in the backend. And then when the creator will view, he can like view the answer details and like improve the answer groups, its feedback, and basically it will like improve the overall exploration. And yeah, so if the exploration is improved, the learner experience will also increase. So yeah, this was my project for GSoC 2019. And yeah, currently I'm working on milestone 2. So yeah, thank you very much for attending the talk. Thank you. Thank you, Mukesh.
Uh, James.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is James and I'm working on the starting serving project for GSoC 2019. And sorry, I can't see the slides, please.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, you're able.
Yeah, James. I can continue my slides. Yeah, we can say which slide you want.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So static serving is all about returning plain HTML to the end user. Before now, Ginger was used to serve our pages, and this means that all our pages has to be compiled on the back end before being delivered to the front end for the end user to see it. But with the static serving project, what we aim at doing is to return plain HTML